Hi Canada, welcome to today's training tips. For today I'm here to present to you what to prepare, what to do when you're training in the cold. So in a few weeks, as we know, it's going to get pretty cold. So we're going to need to confront that cold weather. So we're going to make sure to prepare ourselves properly. And also these are my recommendations. Enjoy. First tip, layers. So make sure to layer up. I know you have this image of seeing somebody putting a lot of layers, but that's a concept. So imagine this gear, okay, and you layer up, and you make sure that the first layer in contact with your skin is a polyester fabric. And throughout your training, and just to make sure that you don't overheat, just remove some layers, just remove them. But yes, that's what you should do, layer up. Yeah, second tip, make sure that your extremities are well covered up. So we're talking about fingers, make sure those are well covered up. Use the gloves. Make sure that you cover up also your neck area, that's where you lose a lot of heat. Like so. And headgear also. Make sure that you're wearing proper headgear, okay? And also make sure that it stays dry. So maybe you can always bring two headgears if you want, so that if one gets damped, you can just switch it up and have a dry one on your head. Like this one here. Best gear ever. Yes, let's move on to the third tip. Third tip, what I suggest is warming up indoors prior to doing your exercise training in the cold. So what that does is that it maximizes your outdoor training. So you warm up indoors, make sure to heat up properly. You can wear your gear if you want right away, so you're warming up with your gear. And once you're warmed up properly, you just step outside and then you can right away start your training outdoors. Just make sure before you exit the door, you don't start sweating. So if you started sweating indoors, that's not a good thing. You'll be stepping outdoors and right away your body temperature is going to drop because of your wet clothes that's touching your skin. Deal? All right, let's step outdoors. We're ready. We're down to our fourth tip. For this one is what kind of training you should be doing outdoors. So when you step outdoor in the cold, okay, you need to really work on training that is an endurance training. So focus on muscular or cardio exercises that keep you moving always. What you should focus are the big muscular groups, which are the legs. So if you select exercises that select the legs, you'll be able to heat up and counter that cold. You're going to heat up more effectively, which your training will be more effective, and you'll get much more pleasure out of training in the outdoor. Also, do not execute isometric trainings or static trainings. So don't try to hold the push-up position or the plank. That's not a good idea. Your body heat's going to drop back down. But keep moving, stay safe, and let's go enjoy the cold Canada weather.